Thank you. Phenice Frans-Piar has the floor, followed by James Phineas.
Good afternoon. Bon tardi. My name is Phenice Frans-Piar, and I am representing the Strong Women group from Bonaire on behalf of the Bonaire Human Rights Organization. I am a born Bonairean from an island just 50 miles off the coast of Venezuela. I speak Papiamentu, a language born from the hearts of my African ancestors and one of the oldest indigenous languages that survived the brutal force of colonialism. As an educator and a proud daughter of this island, I stand before you deeply concerned as the school system imposed by our colonial rulers threatens to indoctrinate our children, children of African descent, into a structure that disregards their roots, their identity, their cultural values, and their knowledge. Since Bonaire was annexed as a colonized public entity of the Netherlands on 10/10/10, we have lived in an illusion of progress. Not everything that shines is gold. On the surface, development appears promising. New buildings, European systems, modern labels. But beneath it all, our people are being pushed further into cultural discrimination. This Dutch-imposed education system may look impressive, but it's still failing our community. AI in Bonaire, we can't even talk about AI. We are still struggling to have a stable and affordable internet in schools, especially at the only high school we have in Bonaire. But what we can do today, after 250 years, our ancestors pay a high price for our dignity and survival. Our recommendation, decolonize education, decolonize Bonaire. Let us rise for mental and cultural emancipation. Let us teach our children who they truly are. Let us reclaim our identity with pride and purpose. Dank je.